Hi guys, I am Precious Dayan B. Barik. I am born on November 6, 2007. I am 17 years old. I am a female, just what you see. But I identify myself as bisexual in gender. I am born on November 6, 2007 in Narawan, Antipolo City. I am also single and available. NBSB kumbaga, charis. um, my favorite, I love rap, music, dance, dance, watching movies, funny or comedy, drama, horror, romance, sa pa, animation, and my favorite color is red. My favorite food is fried chicken. My favorite song is Angels Like You. Father, Policarpo Barik. My mother, Leia B. Bernadas. My siblings, I am the eldest daughter, Precious Dayan Barik. Then my younger sister is Divine Pauline Barik. My younger brother is Chandaral Barik. And the younger one too is Policarpo Barik III. And the youngest was Jewel Shane Barik. Weight 47. Height is 155 centimeter. I am now live here in Purok 4, Baluno, Candies, Aguinaldo, Laak, Davao de Oro, here in Philippines. I am shy, quiet, but sometimes annoying. Noisy, quiet daw niya, noisy. I studied kindergarten, preschool, and private on Marikina School, Marikina Fortune. Then I live on San Mateo Rizal 9 years. Then I studied elementary years on Modesta Santo Niño Elementary Schools and San Mateo Rizal, Buntong Palay, Plukdos, Buntong Palay, San Mateo Rizal. And when I am grade 5, we transfer here in Davao de Oro, Candies Elementary School. Grade 5, I was 9 years old. Then graduated grade 6 and Candies Elementary School also. Then now I am grade 11 because I graduated before grade 10 in junior high school, Kidawa National High School, and now I am grade 11 and proceeding grade 12. I am proceeding 18 but immature always.